What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm very happy and share with you some new tool that I did find in order to optimize our sites. So as you cannot see, speed is a very important thing for every single aspect of our consumer success journey, search engine optimization, website load at all, and the online business success. Okay, so let's imagine that you have a website and your page rank it's something like 60, for example. This is quite bad for you, for your site, for your business, because it takes longer to load, and Google knows this, because if you go to PageSpeed insights from Google, you may be able to see your site speed, and Google know that. Okay, so Google used to rank higher the websites that have a higher page speed score. Okay, so I was able to find a free WordPress plugin. It's something brand new. Okay, it's not very commonly used yet, but I recommend this. Okay, this is the 10 Web Booster website speed optimization and page speed optimizer. Okay, so this website plugin for WordPress does a great job optimizing your website speed for a higher performance. So it's almost like automatically gain a 90 plus performance score. Okay, so into this video we're gonna learn how to install, set up, and optimize our page using this awesome plugin. Okay, so let's go to our WordPress dashboard. We're gonna be installing this plugin, so go to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, and into the top right corner, into the search field, you're gonna type 10 Web Booster. Okay, here is the guy. We're gonna click on the install now button. Okay, the time that it takes to install the plugin changes according to your host performance. Click on activate button. It gonna redirect you to the plugins list, but into this plugin specific case it gonna direct you to the option to set up an account, because you need to connect the plugin to their API account. So click into this button, sign up and connect. You can sign up with Google or with your email. Let's click on the get started for free. You need to enter your email, your first and last name, and password. Okay, it's very simple, and you can use the Google in the case that you prefer. So welcome to 10 Web. Start the optimization and customize your experience by telling us about yourself. Okay, so this is for this website, this is my tested website, but normally it's a design agency. Okay, but it changes according to your business niche. Okay, how many websites do you manage? Normally we manage 4 to 10, depends according to our needs. I will select 4 to 10 just to can start. It already recognized one of our websites, that is the one that we did install the plugin. So we are analyzing now the content score. Okay, so analyzing the content of this website. They already know that we are using WordPress. They reviewed our site. It's very simple. As you can see, we have no need to enter the website, to do other parts of the design content, to connect, to apply codes. It's really simple. So I'm really impressed of how easy they work and how fast they work. So they are analyzing the content score. I will not cut the video so you can see how fast the things happen. Okay, so this is the plugin doing the work for us. Okay, so we have nothing to do. I'll install the plugin, connect, create the account, and we are good to go. just wait. It used to take a couple of minutes, but I will not cut the video so you can see the real results, okay? While you wait, let's review some other parts of this. They have some hosting services right here. AI booster, hosting, PageSpeed booster. They have real-time backups, on-click migration, security, user team management. At this moment, they should be gone. Okay, let's review. So, overall, of homepage performance, for 73 on the normal, so the optimized go to 93. Really impressive. As you can review the mobile that used to take 11 seconds to load, now is taking only 4, and we did absolutely nothing. All we did was install the plugin, so I'm really impressed with these tools, okay? We can optimize more pages even on the free package. The free package allows you to optimize the front page of your site and, as I can remember, 5 pages. But as you can review, they already did an awesome work. We can apply more pages, okay? So we can review how they did, okay? We have the free plans. So we have 6 pages, including the home page, 5 and home page. We have options to auto-optimize the image. Really interesting. Let's check your site. Absolutely zero issues, all working perfectly. However, now we have the site optimized. This is awesome. I'm really impressed with the results, okay? So I recommend that you try on your site and share with me on the comments below your feedbacks on this tool. I really find interesting how they work. To be honest, I would like that we have more options to things like this, okay? So I'm really happy with the results. As you can see, we go up to 9 score. The process was for free, was fast. We made this before 8 minutes. I did not cut the process down, so you can see that it is really fast, okay? And I'm very happy with the results, but try yourself. Let me know in the comments below what you think, okay? So we already have optimized our homepage, the front page of our site. But let's imagine that you have a blog and you would like to optimize your blog page as well, okay? Even on the free plan, you can optimize your blog page in the case that you want, or any other page that you like. And as you can see, as soon as you install the plugin, you can see elements of your CSS, of your design present on your WordPress website. In this case, I would like to optimize another important page of my site, that is the About page, okay, of this example site. So go back to this dashboard from the 10 Web Buster, okay, and optimize up to 5 page, add URLs. I'm gonna place the URL right here and click on the optimize button, okay? I have added a new URL. The plugin is now working to optimize this page. And in a few moments, this page, just like my front page, gonna be pretty optimized. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here to download this plugin in the case that you want. In addition, if you are in need of an amazing free WordPress theme and awesome free WordPress plugin to build your WordPress website, and complement the optimization process, I would like to recommend that you go to wordpress.org and search for our Enzo WordPress theme and Borderless WordPress plugin, okay? And if you prefer go to the Pro version, you can start with a ready-to-go website pre-built like one of those. We have up to 100 ready websites for you. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to let me know your experience using this plugin, okay? And I see you later. All the best!